Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best 20-gallon air compressor you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best 20-gallon air compressor in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DeWalt 20-gallon portable air compressor. DeWalt is making for all kinds of power tools. But as you would expect, it also makes various air compressors. The DeWalt DXCMPA19822054 is the best performing. It comes with a 1.9 horsepower motor that fills up its 20-gallon air tank quickly and easily. This even offers a maximum air pressure of 155 psi. You get a CFM rating of 7.0 CFM at 40 psi and 5.7 CFM at 90 psi. As a result, you can use this air compressor for most applications out there. You can either use it with 120-volt electricity outlets or 240-volt ones by using a converter. The DeWalt 1.9 horsepower 20-gallon oil lubricated air compressor is job site tough and built for the professional. It features automotive-style ball bearings, durable stainless steel reed valves, oil level sight glass, easily accessible oil fill and a cast iron balanced flywheel for easy maintenance, maximum performance and convenience. This single-stage, oil-lubricated compressor offers a V-twin cast iron pump with one-piece cast iron crankcase and thermally stable cast iron cylinder body for added durability. Our second best 20-gallon air compressor is Stark USA Air Compressor. This air compressor from Stark USA is a great option if you are looking for a high-performance air compressor. And even then, it can offer a maximum air pressure of 125 psi and can provide due to its comparatively powerful motor of 3.5 horsepower. Thus, this compressor is an ideal option to use for a variety of projects. You get a CFM rating of 7.2 CFM at 40 psi and 3.5 CFM at 90 psi. The motor is highly efficient, and its cold start twin capacitor induction motor offers thermal overload protection. Its 10-inch wheel diameter will allow for portability and ease to move around. It is 50% quieter than various units, letting you use them indoors without much noise. It offers a 10-gallon horizontal tank, removable durable cast iron cylinder minimize wear and improve pump life, and a large automotive-style industrial air filter for enhanced air intake will provide a user-friendly experience. Third pick in our list is Stealth 20-gallon air compressor. The 20-gallon model SAQ12018, it owns peak 1.8 horsepower power but the working noise is only 68 decibels. It has been tested 3 times longer lifetime compare with the standard induction motors. Stealth Innovative Quiet System air compressor have been tested to be up to 80% quieter and qualify to 3 times longer life than standard induction motors. High-quality induction motor generates the 1.8 horsepower power, time of recharge the air tank from empty to full only 70 seconds. 20-gallon capacity enable your innovation work continue without break. Working noise only 68 decibels, ultra quiet and long life cycle working hours more than 1000 H. More quieter and save more money and time to replace new device. Peak 150 psi, 6 CFM 40 psi and 5 CFM 90 psi, support inflation, finishing nailer, angle grinder, cut-off tool, impact wrenches, drill, hammer, chisel, sander, polisher, crease air tools etc. Number 4 in our side is Northstar Portable Electric Air Compressor. The Northstar 2 horsepower, 20-gallon vertical air compressor has been engineered with superior technology to keep you working without interruption. The durable cast iron V-twin pump has oil lubrication and cast iron heads for long service life. Bearings are placed on both ends of the pump's crankshaft for superior support and less wear and tear. The belt drive oil lubricated pump on this Northstar 2 horsepower, 20-gallon vertical air compressor runs quietly and efficiently. That means you'll have less compressor noise in your shop or garage as you work on projects with air tools. The vertical design leaves a space-saving small footprint. This quiet unit is great for automotive and home repairs and has plenty of power to operate impact wrenches, nailers, ratchets and other air tools. It's an ideal compressor for the serious do-it-yourself homeowner or tough enough to use in a small commercial repair shop. Last in our best 20-gallon air compressor list is Campbell Hausfeld Air Compressor. The Campbell Hausfeld Air Compressor, 26-gallon vertical oil-free, is designed for the DIY enthusiast or weekend warrior. The compressor comes with an induction motor, designed for long product life. Easy to use and read, the control panel offers complete control of air manipulation. Its oil-free design makes this air compressor low maintenance, making it hassle-free. With a max pressure of 150 psi and delivery of 4 CFM 90 psi, the DC 260,000 is perfect for a wide range of garage and workshop projects. The steel handle and large wheels are ideal for garage or shop portability, while the vertical design saves space. Finish your projects faster and easier with Campbell Hausfeld. The Air Power Expert. The compressor comes with an induction motor, designed for long product life. Its oil-free design makes this air compressor maintenance-free, which also adds to longevity. The compressor also features a sturdy steel handle and wheels for portability.